Hello and welcome to my prototype for theme 3, which is 10 seconds or less. For this theme, I've made an adventure game set in a prison, which was heavily inspired off of my environment design for my level design module from the previous trimester, although I've changed the layout and gameplay structure ever so slightly. Basically, the goal is that the player has a total of 10 challenges to do in order to escape the prison. The player must complete these challenges in under 10 seconds to reach the checkpoint to the next challenge, or else they'll be sent back to the start. What makes the prototype unique, in my opinion, is that each time a player advances through the challenges, so if they complete challenge number 1 and advance to challenge 2, their player speed, decreases by 50 using the Unreal Engine blueprints every time they advance across a challenge, which means that the game takes longer. The player will take longer to make their way across the challenges because of the speed deficit that occurs. There is one slight issue, unfortunately, and that is because I was unfortunately unable to get the countdown timer to reset itself each time the player completes a challenge, as seen in these blueprints. I have the timer widget and the timer structure set up, but unfortunately I was unable to get it to count down by 10 seconds in order for it to reset. I am able to get the timer to count down by 10 seconds, but only one time before it says the game is over. So we'll have a playthrough right now and see what I've done so far. So, as you can see, I've got the speed level for the player, and the seconds left X, which in this circumstance would display the amount of time from 10 to 0 that the player would have to complete each challenge, and it should reset when the widget changes number as well. The challenges vary in terms of like difficulty and time randomly. Some challenges have required animations to be completed, some trigger volumes, experimenting with gravity and destructible mesh, and you can see the player's getting really slow now, and so forth. Obviously this timer may need to be adjusted, or the speed may need to be adjusted in the future. There's still a few errors with some of the challenges for this one, for example, where you could still open the door even if you haven't collected all the keys, for example there. This one is dark. Challenges definitely get a lot harder as the game goes on. Maybe I might have to decrease some of the speed depending on when I get the timer set up, but for the time being, prototype does show a good level of functionality and it's definitely workable.